Om Swastiastu. First of all, the Honorable Mr. Lecturer of English Parallel 1 Class Udayana University. And also I would like to thank to my fellow classmates for coming or to listen my speech. Thank you for your attention to this 40th meeting here in this fine and joyful afternoon. I hope we are all in the good health and happiness. Today I will speak about benefits of civil engineering. At this time, I am undergoing the process of studying at the Udayana University campus by majoring in civil engineering because I am only in the first semester. Of course, I don't know many things related to scientists at this college, but through the process of learning from campus and obtaining information from other media. So I start to study a little bit seriously so that what has become a reference or as a profession from educational institution on this campus. I can fulfill it so that I can complete this education. On this occasion, I try to explain what I know while studying in this short time. Here, I want to explain a little about the process of building a building or a house. The process is as follows. Number 1, initial planning. Where what must be done is to plan what kind of building or building model will be built. For example, what is a one-story building, second floor or so on. If this initial planning is final, then process to the next step. Number 2, the initial planning or design. Hurry is done if the drawing or design of the building is completely clear and can be understood by everyone who will be involved in a development process. Of course, the required drawing are standard to civil engineering scientists. Number 3, calculation of RAB. After the planning drawing is complete and has met the technical specification, the next process is to calculate the need for development cost. So here we have to calculate everything that can cause bulk cost in this development process, such as the type of material used for work weeks, supervision costs, and so on. How we have to be careful in calculation in it due the error in the beginning. It can have a very big impact during the implementation of development. Number 4, the build any building. We should need to the MB1 because this everyone important. Especially later the building being built will be used for the public and we as contractor must obey the law. Number 5, the implementation time before the process start, which is no less important is the process of determining the period of development implementation so that I can be in accordance with the time when I compiling this time schedule. That must be considered, namely weather conditions such as rain that can hinder the implementation process in the field. Number 6, the implementation of this implementation process is where we start activity at the project site and the implementation. Team must start planning from the beginning of the consideration process, such as number 1, prepare work bed. Number 2, bringing in workers according to their expertise and need is the field. Number 3, prepare material. Number 4, prepare the equipment need according to the size of the project to be worked on. Number 5, the implementation team must really understand the drawing that will be done. Number 6, start doing work. Besides that, I will also briefly describe how the process of this work is. Making measurement. Determine the point of the section to be carried out excavation for the foundation. If a multi-story building must use a concrete foot or slab foundation because this is part of the structure of is a rise building. After the place foundation contained to the column, then the slope column again above the slope. After that, the installation of the beam continues to the floor plate. So this implementation process is in accordance with the drawing and meet the technical specification, and so on will be followed by work to the next stage until the last process there is finishing. So a few review that I can briefly convey. This is just an illustration. Therefore, apologies if there are errors in the review. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.